With Elysium's geometry processing technology, specific geometry features can be detected directly from CAD data. This enables automated checks for assemblability and disassembly. As an example, we detect a bolt and perform a head-space interference check. First, a virtual cylinder, representing the space required for assembly, is generated based on the bolt diameter. Next, the system checks for interference between this cylinder and the surrounding assembly parts. The following shows the actual check results in 3D-SUITE. In the result column, IDs marked as fail indicate potential issues. Clicking an ID highlights the problematic area and displays the relevant dimensions. We then perform a clearance check. If the clearance is less than 1.5 mm, it is flagged as an error. Here, we can see another type of error where one part interferes by cutting into another. And another error case. Check parameters can be freely defined, allowing for flexible inspection. Let's also look at the actual clearance check results in 3D-SUITE. Clicking Fail in Result highlights the problematic areas. In general CAD software, only the shortest distance between volumes is detected, which may cause the same error to be repeatedly flagged even after repairs. With 3D-SUITE, this problem does not occur. Next is the axis misalignment check. Fasteners and holes are automatically detected. The axes of parts and holes are then compared, and any misalignment is flagged. This makes it possible to detect errors that are difficult to catch visually. Clicking Axis Misalignment shows the actual check results. Clicking Fail in Result highlights the problematic areas. Double-clicking the list displays the cross-section. It clearly shows that the axes are misaligned. In the 3D-SUITE result screen, all check items and results are listed for complete review. Engineers can also add evaluations directly to the check results. Comments can be written in the remarks section for further clarification. Reports can be output in Excel format, viewable by anyone. Images of the relevant areas are automatically attached to the report. This eliminates the need to manually create tables or paste images. The simple reporting process streamlines interdepartmental communication and ensures smoother collaboration.